Hello, we're here today at SL Equipment to look at this custom 8.5 by 24 emerald green barbecue concession trailer. Starting off with the front, we'll see our generator platform. We've got our front coupler, safety chains, breakaway in the front, jack. In the front of the trailer, we'll have the 50 amp power plug. Now it is emerald green with black trim. On the passenger side front, we'll have an access door. This access door will give us access to the plumbing, electric. You'll have your power panel, battery charger. We'll have the water heater in here, 30-gallon fresh water tank, water pump, and the back of the city water fill, along with all the shut-off valves for the water. We also see the power cable in there. On the outside, we'll see the city water fill from the outside. It does have a lock and key, so you'll put the key in there and you can unlock it. You can attach a 3/4 inch hose and also have a fill port. By locking it, it's just a way to keep people from tampering with your water. The trailer does have an RV style drain. So, you'll have a pull valve to release the water out. So once it's pulled, it releases the water. When you do that, it closes back off. And then you'll have your cap that goes on, and it'll twist on. And just like that. With the wheels and tires, we'll have steel wheels, radial tires on here. 2/6 lug, which indicates you have two 5,200 pound axles. They're black in color. The porch does have a step up and a gate. Now the rear gate has 4 of these pins to release it so it can be removed. We got RV style back door. It's got a bar lock on it. It's also got a flush lock. Bar lock will just go across here. Once it's crossed, swivel this, put a padlock in, and it'll lock the door. You'll have not only a lock for the deadbolt here, you'll have a lock for the handle. Now the RV style door does have screens. Going in, see the countertop, plugs above. We'll have our concession window, glass and screens, and a counter at the window. It's a 3-bay sink and hand washing sink. 3-bay sink has drain boards. Now the cabinet base does have a switch. That switch is for the water pump. These doors are easy to operate. They're push button. Push the button up, they'll open. You can see the little locking mechanism here. Push them, they close. On the passenger side, we can see there's a counter. Plugs above. There's also upper cabinetry. Also has the emerald green facing. This unit does have an AC and heat unit and LED lights. And then we'll have a stand-up refrigerator, Arctic Air commercial. Brands do vary based upon what someone orders. There are different brands that are available. There's a black ATP floor on the porch. And then going in, there is a step. You can see our exterior lighting. There's two on the back. All the lighting on the trailer is for the DOT lights are going to be LED. You can see those pins I was talking about for the rear removable rail. One on top and bottom, same on the other side. And there's also a license plate bracket and light. Take a look at the outside of our concession window here. Two exterior lights, one on the left and right of the concession window. Window from the outside. We have the flip-up counter, which is skinned in the same metal as the trailer. Black trim on it. What you see there is just a little bit of pollen coming right up to be springtime, and it's covering everything. But I'll sum up this trailer. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to help you here at Lee. Thank you. Have a great day.